Hey everybody, welcome to GamifiedClassroom.com. I'm Scott and I am talking to you today about Google Dinosaur Game. This is a super fun game. In fact, you might have even seen it or played it if your internet connection ever went out. When your internet connection goes out, it says there's no connectivity and there's this little T-Rex sitting there. And if you press the space bar or the up button or any key really, you would get started on this really fun game. So let's check it out together because I played it with my students and we had some fun. So one of the things you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Google, and instead of searching for it, you're gonna put it in the address bar. And here's what you're gonna put in the address bar. You're gonna put in the word Chrome, C-H-R-O-M-E, and then colon, // and then dino. Chrome, colon, // and then dino, D-I-N-O. And when you press enter, you're gonna get a screen that often we see, which is there is no internet. And so what normally happens is you just sit there not realizing there's a whole game. But if you press the space bar, if you press the F button, you're all of a sudden in the game. And it's really addicting. Oh, I just lost. But the idea behind this game is that all you have to do is press the up button. As you're pressing the up button or the down button to duck, you're jumping or ducking and moving around obstacles. I think what I love about this is that as students start to engage it and start to play it, what they end up doing is improving little by little. So sure, they're not learning a lot of content. There's no content-based education happening here. But there is some relationship building, there are a lot of laughs, and there is this skill that is getting better and better as they get better. And so what I like about it as a special education teacher is that all of my students can join in. No matter what level, cognitively or behaviorally, every student can be engaged, have fun, and we can laugh about it because nobody's good at this. It's hard for everybody, and the more you stare at it, the more your eyes start to cross, and so it's just really fun. I played it the other day with students. They wouldn't stop. I asked them if they wanted to stop. We do like an after-school hangout, and they didn't want to stop. Oh, and here's the fun part. See how it just turned black? It changes colors over time, and the farther you go, it'll change back to white, and man, does it mess with your eyes and make this game a lot more challenging. So you should definitely check this out. I use it sometimes when students are done with assignments. I like to put a leaderboard up and just continually have this kind of ongoing leaderboard of who's gotten the highest, and you can have a daily one or an all-time one because the person who won yesterday probably won't win today because just the dynamics of the game. As you can see, it speeds up a lot as you start to get farther and farther along. But overall, just super fun. You can always do more. But this is simple and easy and a quick go-to to keep students active and engaged and having fun, maybe as a reward when they're done with assignments. All right, guys, we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.